Want to reverse a video in Clipchamp? Here's the easiest way. First, I want to say that there is no reverse option in Clipchamp. So we are going to use an external reversal website like ESGIF. Go to video to GIF, then reverse, and then upload your video. Then click on uploading video, and then scroll down and click reverse video. And like that your video will be reversed, and then you have to click on save and save your video. Then go back to Clipchamp and import the video in the timeline, and like that you will have your video reversed. And that's it. Follow for more Clipchamp tips.